everyone, welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. My channel is mainly talk about LED lighting and how to find a good supplier in China. Today, in this video, I would like to show an amazing LED strip light with Wi-Fi controller. Okay, you can look at here. Today, I would like to introduce a Wi-Fi control with RGB plus W LED strip. Before I introduce this product to you, I would like to show what kind of function it has, how it works, and what kind of function. And this is the app, Wi-Fi app. We use Wi-Fi app to control LED strip. Okay, I already connected this Wi-Fi and I will show you how it works. Here, this is the brightness. We can adjust the brightness, a warm white brightness. Yeah. This is RGB brightness, and this is timing function. We can set the time we want it works, and we have in some models on this app. Flashing, yeah, different color, different models. You can choose whatever you want, or you can also click here to customize the models and colors. Okay, add a new one color here. And this is the model, 3 different models. Yeah, you can also adjust the speed. Flashing, yeah, flashing the speed. Okay, very fast, slower, save. Okay, this is the microphone function. You can see that the light will be flashing as my voice. It's also funny, yeah. Hello, welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. Yeah, it's very funny. Yo, yo, yeah, chicken now, yo, yo. Okay, this is the music. We can choose the music. I show you my baby's first crying when he born. This is the most beautiful voice in the world, and I show you a music. It's a romantic music. Imagine in your house, you have this. You are listening to this romantic music and have different light with this RGB LED strip light. It's a fantastic and romantic night. Okay, and it also can grab the color you like. Use the camera. Okay, this is blue, grabbed, and dark blue, black color. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me try red color. Is that amazing, right? Okay. Okay, this is the function that we show you today. Let me introduce what kind of items we have to prepare and how to connect wheels. Let me power off. You can see that we need to prepare LED driver and Wi-Fi controller and RGBW LED strip. That's it. Yeah. Let me introduce one by one. First of all, this is the RGB plus W strip light. These strips include 3 different colors: R red, G green, B blue. 3 color in one chips. Yeah. So this is RGB chips, and this is warm white chips. So we say that this is RGB plus white LED strip light, and it can cut every 10 chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, here you can cut, and also cut here. Yeah. The length will be customized, but we will be suggest you the max length you connect. Use one power should be 5 meters. Okay. From here you can see that because this is RGB plus W color, so it has 5 different wheels. This is white color, blue color, green color, red color, and this is black. Black means V minus. Yeah, these 4 wires is connected with V plus, and this black is connected with V minus. This is Wi-Fi controller, and this is input and this is output. Output wires will be connected to the drivers. You can see here just 2 wires. Yeah. And look at this driver. Driver had input side and output. This is input. Input directly to the AC 220 voltage. And the output will be connected with the Wi-Fi. You have to pay attention. Here, you have to pay attention. This is V minus and this is V plus. Red connected with V plus. Yellow and connect with V minus. You can sometimes also this is black wires. You have to pay attention. You must be connect V plus and V minus together. Yeah. If you put these 2 wires in 2 V minus or 2 V plus, that's wrong. So pay attention to this. And what kind of drivers we use? You can see here. The driver's input is 220 voltage, or we can connect 110 voltage, and the output is DC 24 voltage. You have to pay attention. The output DC 24 voltage have to match the LED strip, because our LED strip is DC 24 voltage. So you have to match the driver output DC 24 voltage. If the LED strip is DC 12 voltage, you cannot match this driver. You have to match the output DC 12 voltage driver. So, and the power is 120 voltage. This is totally enough for the strip. So this is the driver. This driver is non-waterproof. For indoor use is enough. But we also have outdoor. outdoor use driver. This is waterproof IP67 driver. Yeah, you can see this is output DC 12 voltage. If I use this driver connect DC 24 voltage, it's not enough because it cannot work very bright. The power is not enough. So we use this DC 24 voltage LED driver, and then we connect AC 220 watt power. Okay, then what kind of Wi-Fi controller we use? This is the Wi-Fi controller. You can see here LED Wi-Fi controller. It can work with RGB or RGBW LED strip. It has 16 million colors. Yes, so many choice. It also have timing function. I have already showed you just now. It also have group control function. Group control function means you can control different LED strips, and you can control different rooms. Yeah, remote controller and a music model. Music model I've already showed you just now. And let's see the side Wi-Fi, LED Wi-Fi controller. If you have an existing home Wi-Fi router, you can set this controller to it. Then connect your phone to home Wi-Fi and run app to control it. Yes, we use app to control it and connect the home Wi-Fi. You can see the wiring diagram. This is the power. We also set LED driver. Connect power is Wi-Fi controller. Connect Wi-Fi controller is LED RGB strip light. And we use phone app to control the LED strip light. Yeah. Okay. And inside, if we buy this Wi-Fi controller, we have a card to tell you how to where to install the app and how to set. The first QR code is for download app, and the left QR code is for user guide. Yeah, you can scan when you buy it and read the instruction carefully. And right now I show you how to install this app and how to set. Yeah, as you know, I have already installed, and right now I remove it and I move it and install again. Yeah, scan the left QC code and install download. Here you can see we have to wait 2 minutes. Okay, first of all, you have to open your home Wi-Fi. Yeah. And install. Fine. Oh, finished. Here. Okay, this is the app. We already installed and entered the app. And add the equipment. I'm sure it has English language and other language, but I use Chinese. I don't know how to choose the language here, so I use Chinese to show you. You have to log in. And I already have a account, so I just log in. Okay, password. and login. Seems that I cannot find Wi-Fi. So I will close the Wi-Fi firstly, and then open again and try. Oh sorry, I forget to open the power. Yeah, let me try again. Okay, you just log in and connect to your Wi-Fi and find this controller. That would be okay. It's very easy. Seems that my app already remember my account, so it will be connect them automatic. So we already installed and connect the Wi-Fi. So let's try how to set. This is the brightness, RGB brightness, and this is warm white brightness. Yeah, and this is the models I already showed you at the first beginning. Yeah, and this is microphone. Hello microphone, how are you? Yeah, you can have a song, whatever you want. Yeah, the LED strip will be working according to your voice here. And also the music, you can choose the music. Okay, camera. Okay, the camera can crop the color. Yeah. See. Yeah, the color will be changed. It's very funny, and you can control different colors, different whitelist, different models. So today I already showed you RGBW LED Strip Light with Wi-Fi controller. Yeah, anywhere can be used for hotel decoration, for home use. If you have this RGB strip light, it would be a romantic light every day. Yeah, with your lovers. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any problem to use them, or if you have any problems about LED light, I would also like to discuss with you. Okay, thank you so much for you guys.